Hi, I'm Julie Lynn and I'm a chef from Glasgow. And I am the proud Maple from Canada 2024 ambassador. And today we're going to make some Keuh Dadar, which is delicious Malaysian Pandan pancakes. We're going to fill them up with some delicious fresh coconut and use some maple syrup in there instead of palm sugar. I'm going to show you how delicious that is.
In a medium saucepan, add maple syrup and a touch of water. Add the knotted pandan leaves, salt. Stir in the fresh grated coconut and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture is well combined and the coconut is fully coated with maple syrup. Remove the pandan leaves and set the filling aside to cool. Whisk together the flour and salt. In another mixing bowl, beat the egg and then add water, the coconut milk, pandan juice and green food colouring or green pandan essence. Gradually pour in the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, whisking continuously to form a smooth, lump-free batter. Pour a small ladleful of the batter into the skillet, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Cook this just until the edges have started to lift off the bottom and you can easily flip it. Cook for 30 seconds on the other side and repeat until the remaining batter is used. Place the crepe on a flat surface, now spoon a tablespoon or two of that coconut maple filling. Fold the bottom edges over the filling and then fold in the sides. Roll up neatly like a spring roll. Repeat with the remaining crepes until the filling is done and serve with Maple Kopi AKA Maple Coffee.